Hey guys, welcome back to Electric Tow Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace the interior dome lights, guys. You have two lights, guys, okay, one on the front, one in the middle. Actually, if you need to remove and replace that case that holds the sunglasses as well, stay with us and we'll explain how to do all that today, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, and this is the case with this Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to save even more money on replacement parts, on tools, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So what do we have here now? We have a 2015 Dodge Dart GT that we'll be working on, and we'll show you guys what needs to be done, okay, to remove and replace the dome lights assembly, the dome light bulbs, okay, all that. You need to remove them in order to replace the bulbs, okay. I'm talking about the one right there and the one over there as well. So first what we'll do, guys, we'll start with the front one. Stay with us, we'll do that, and then we'll continue, guys, with the rear one. So let me show you now, guys. Okay, we'll start here. What you need to do, you need to open that storage compartment for sunglasses. Inside, okay, inside, I'm trying to focus, you have two screws, one here, one over there. These screws, guys, they're with Torx 20. Okay, start looking bit. Let me focus quick so you can see what I'm talking about. I just have a hard time focusing today with the camera. I think it's because it's still very cold. Okay, right there, that's what it looks like, guys. This is the start looking bit, and what we're going to do now, okay, we'll just remove two screws. First one is coming out. Okay, let me grab it. Okay, the first screw, guys, came out and it looks just like this one right there. Second screw now. Okay, again. Right in the cup holder. If I was trying to do that, I was not going to. Always makes my day when I do something like that. So now, guys, what do we need to do next? You need to close that thing. Okay, grab it on the front side, pull it down. Okay, come out like that. This is, guys, okay, the dome light here assembly, everything. So how we guys remove it? Okay, now I wish I had somebody to help me. I'm gonna hold it with the knee here. Pull up. Okay, and this thing, guys, came out. You can see, just like that. So now if you guys need to remove or replace bulb, all you have to do, grab it, okay, turn it about 30 degrees, I think, about 30 degrees to the left, and you get it out, guys. You can see, like that. If you need to get a replacement bulb, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, all you have to do, just grab and pull it out of this holder and install the new bulb. So we explain, guys, how to do that right here. Then you get it in the slots. Okay, you can see it goes only one certain way, and turn it clockwise, guys. Okay, clockwise about 30 degrees again, and as you can see, guys, it comes out. It's out of there now. So this is out, guys. Okay, what else we need to do? Here you have more switches if you need to replace, but on the rear one, guys, okay, things are more complicated. Why? Because I think we'll be able to get it out in two different pieces. How? We're going to grab it and slide it towards the back. The bottom piece will come out. There is two clips right here, guys, that if you successfully remove, you will be able to pull it out, but you can't. You don't have enough room. So let me show you, okay, what I'm going to attempt to do now, guys. There is always a chance to break those. I'll show you how I do it. I don't say it's the correct way. Okay, I just grab and pry towards the front. Almost came out. Okay, like that. Actually, the whole thing came out, guys. The whole thing. How that happened, I have no idea. Usually it will fall apart. Now, right here there is one connector that we need to disconnect. Okay, and this one All we have to do now right here, let me show you. I'm just trying to get a little bit of light. Okay, pull that thing. Okay, and disconnect the wire. It's all the way to the back. Okay, but we got it out. Now, it didn't fall apart. Sometimes it may come in two different pieces and you need to put it together. That's how we did it before in the past. This one, it came pretty easy. Those are the two clips on the back side I was talking about. One here, right there. Check out the profile. If you guys can get here with a small screwdriver, okay, and push them in on the back side, it will come out like that and then you slide it out. Ours, however, it came out, guys. If you need to replace a bulb, grab, turn it to the left, get it out. Okay, and this is the bulb right here, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do something like that, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.